Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Changes with Chunn, and I'm back with another DIY. So today's DIY is a 2-for-1 special. We're going to make kinetic sand, but the way that I make kinetic sand is you make slime first, and then you go ahead and you add the sand in and you mix it and you work it through. So we're going to learn how to make slime, and we're going to learn how to make kinetic sand. So what I will say is when I do the kinetic sand, what I do is I make my slime slightly more runny than the slime that you just would play with. So I'll tell you what to do to get regular slime that you just want to play with, mold, fold, or whatever it is that you do. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make the kinetic sand. So 2-for-1 special. Stay tuned. All right, what I have here is about roughly a cup of Elmer school glue, non-toxic, safe, so you don't have to worry when your kids are playing with it, even though I'm gonna add liquid starch. But we're gonna go ahead and color it first, and I'm gonna make it darker than I would normally make it because the sand is going to lighten it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. So I have a nice, vibrant pink glue. Now, the many times that I've tried to make slime, it's always been different. I don't know what it depends on, but it's always been different. So, what I'm going to do is I use the cap as my unit of measurement. And I usually add about 3 to 4. So I'm gonna add 1. Then I'm gonna mix. And you can see it getting kind of slimy already. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add 2. And 3 should be good. So now, I'm mixing it, and as you can see, it's becoming very slimy. So you want to make sure you're mixing it very well to make sure that all glue has some liquid starch in it, that it is all activated. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and add more. I told you 3 to 4. I put 3. Here's 4. And that should be the runny consistency that I like. Now, if you just want to make slime to go ahead and play with, you're gonna go ahead and just add some more of that liquid starch in there and it'll be good. So this is a nice slimy consistency. Now, I'm not going to use all of this because it takes quite a bit of sand for it to turn into kinetic sand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about, I'm just going to show you, I'm not going to measure it or anything, but I'm going to take a little bit I'm going to put it in there. So now what I have here is some Sandtastic play sand. I'm sorry I don't have the box anymore because I actually made this with a group of kids. I bought the 25-pound bag. I don't know how many pounds are left, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and take 1 cup of sand initially, and I'm gonna put it into my slime. And then I'm gonna go. now I'm adding roughly about a half a cup of sand. And that should about do it for me. Just gonna go ahead and keep incorporating it. Cookie cutter. Use a cookie cutter. And I want to be like one of those cool, satisfying bits. So it's all separate, and then it's all back together. And there you have it, kinetic sand.